took care of my mess. We gotta get back to work on this thing. Only thing I've done in the past couple days, make a mess in here with this thing. If you saw the video, cool. If not, go look at it. What I was cleaning off the front of the Z was concrete. Because this happened. Got myself a little concrete pad now. So I'm pretty stoked. We did, my dad and I did it. It was 10 feet by 15 and a half. Exactly half the size of the shop, 10 foot out. So we'll start to do sections and 10 by 15 and a half coming out this way, and then also coming this way. So we've been busy. We're doing house stuff, stuck at home anyways, so got some things done that needed to be done, but I'm itching to get back to work on this thing. So today what I want to do, I want this dash out. I've never pulled the dash before. I did work at a dealership, saw tons of dashes get pulled out. Things just screws. So I got to clean up the shop a little bit, and we'll get this pulled back, get the curl pulled back out, and get shredding. Would you just look at that? So too tall. Okay, so I think I'll probably just start with the steering wheel. It's easy, and I know how to take it off. Realistically, what I'm going to do here is just time lapse, and then you guys will see the dash is out, you know. Too big. What do you mean? Also too big? Okay. Woo-wee. As you see, we got the dash out. Sick. I broke a couple pieces. One I really didn't want to break. So clocks around. I put a tiny little tension on it and it freaking blew up. But that's what happens when they sit in the sun for a long time. Don't put cheap aftermarket crap on your car, because then this happens. Kind of got some of the wiring out of the way already. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I gotta get this off so that I can pull this and get the wiring out from under here and get that all separated, you know. And then I just gotta pull basically the harness from, you know, tail lights. See, it comes up to the side there. I've got some that comes up over here, so we'll get that all pulled forward and get it all up in an area where, because really I don't want to pull, I'm not going to pull the whole wiring, I don't think. Just, it doesn't, I just don't need to. Next is I don't know if I'm going to try and pull the dash bar out or not. Anyways, now that I'm done with my concrete fiasco out front and I've kind of got my yard in a somewhat okay looking, anyways, that doesn't matter. My concrete's done. We're back on this. So I was able to put in a couple hours on it today, kind of get this far. So tomorrow I'll have a full day on it. So we'll see kind of where that gets us. But for once I don't have to push it back into its corner and kind of leave it out, because we're rocking on it now. So stoked. Didn't even get freaking credit for popping my tires, but whatever.